If you want LinkedIn to work for you in 2025, you want to grow your brand, you want to grow your career, or just make meaningful conversations, then this video is for you. I'm going to share the mistakes to avoid and how to show up on LinkedIn in a way that is authentic and impactful. Stick with me because I'm going to share my favorite tip for a LinkedIn glow up for the new year. I'm here to help you because I have been able to use LinkedIn to make meaningful connections, to grow my career, to build my brand. LinkedIn is a professional platform compared to all the other social media platforms that we have, and the way you conduct yourself is very important, even while you share personal stories and other things about your work life or your mom life or whatever area of life that you want to share about. There is a conduct. Avoid being inactive or posting inconsistently. I know you say I'm not a content creator, but are there things happening in your life? If you want to build a brand, you have to post, you have to share. No lies. Carry us along your journey. Have you heard about people who lost a great opportunity because they refused to update their profile in years? Because what recruiters do now is they go on your page and look at the recent things that you are doing. People want a personality. People want to find you relatable. So you have to show up. Being invisible on LinkedIn is like having a brilliant CV that is locked in a drawer. It's of no use. So start small, share posts about topics that you love. That thing that you want people to know about you, begin to share and post comments thoughtfully on other people's posts. Not great advice. Well said. In 2025, commit to posting at least once a week. You can start small. Start posting once a week if you really want to grow, because LinkedIn is where you find professionals. I know the number of people that have gotten amazing deals from LinkedIn. I myself, I know how I've been able to use LinkedIn to grow my career, to grow my brand. So show up. This second one, it can be very annoying. If you have started doing it, please stop it. The first thing that your DM is for is not to be a marketplace. It's for you to make that meaningful connection. Use your DM to make a meaningful connection. I'm going to put on the screen a conversation I had in someone's DM that led to an amazing opportunity. I did not ask, I first connected. Learn the language of professional communication. This is not an informal site, it's a formal site, but there is a way that you can even still be informal yet formal. So start with a thoughtful introduction, then find a common ground. Build meaningful connections that last. I don't just want people to follow me. I don't just want to have the numbers. I want to grow. I believe you want to grow as well. So don't make this mistake. This third one, you know all those messages you see in your DM, and then you already know that this message was copied and pasted here. We always know, people can tell that you did not put in any work when you reached out to them, and you find them referring to a woman as sir. A woman wants to be addressed as ma. For example, myself, you can't come into my DM and say dear sir or good morning sir and then start advertising your products and services. No, it already puts people off. You are not AI. Even AI can be prompted to act with emotions. So please be relatable, be conversational, and write as though you are speaking to a friend. It helps. Just think about a friend that you always speak to. So think about it in your mind and write as though that's the person you are talking to. It creates an emotional bond and it helps people feel like you're talking to them. The fourth thing is to stay away from toxic or negative posts or controversial posts. You have no business there. People will not want to reach out to you for services because they are wondering who is this person, where does this person stand. Like, people don't like trouble, they don't want stress. So stay away from things that are very controversial, things that are negative. Just because you want to get attention, because you want to trend, you want to go viral. No, it's wrong. And in the long run, it will not help you. Please stay away from things like this so that your growth will not have drama. Share stories of growth, lessons, and not complaints. No. Protect your personal brand by thinking twice, reading twice or thrice before you click on post. Your LinkedIn space should be a place of positivity. So put a smile on people's face by being positive with your content. This last part that I would like to share, remember I told you that I'm going to help you get prepared for the LinkedIn glow up in the coming year 2025. So what are the things that you can now begin to do from where you are? Audit your profile. Don't use that selfie that you have placed there. Go and change it. You can't use a selfie that is somehow, you can use your phone to take a professional picture. You can. So dress well, look good, because that is the image that people will continually see. If you take any picture anyhow, you don't look serious. You don't look like you mean business. And people want to do business with people that are serious. But if you come with that look, I'm sorry, you're dropping a lot on the table. Your headline, what do you want to be known for? I know you do 5 things, 6 things, 7 things, but there will be 1 or 2 things that you want people to know you for now. Don't write so many headlines. No, pick 1 or 2 and move with it. Then your summary, your about section, don't write a whole story. Tell us the things that you do, the achievements that you had on your job or in your business. What are the skills that you have? What should we look forward to? How have you added value? You don't have to now start writing the school that you went to in your summary or your about section. There is a section for that. So audit your profile. Plan your content. Plan your content so you don't get overwhelmed. Maybe in another video, I'm going to talk about content pillars. I'm going to show you how I stay sane posting on LinkedIn. I don't have to go scampering for what to post on LinkedIn, because there's a content strategy. There are pillars that I just use to carve the right content for each day. So you have to plan your content. Even if you're starting to post once a week, you still have to plan so that you do not get overwhelmed, so that your strategic approach would give you results, because strategy always helps. Then engage consistently. So don't just drop your posts. Stay there for a while, like someone's post, comment in the comment section, let people know that, oh, this is a beautiful initiative, and add value in the comment section, right? I believe this video has helped you. LinkedIn is not just a platform, it's an opportunity, and how you show up would help you and impact on your career. It will open doors you did not even know existed. I'm telling you this. So if you need help with your LinkedIn, there is a link in the description. Please use it and reach out to me. I also coach people to help them articulate their value proposition, enhance their personal brand on LinkedIn. So I look forward to hearing from you. Comment in the comment section what came home to you. Share with your friends, dear mom. I look forward to an amazing 2025 with you in it, going places. See you at the top. Thank you for joining. Bye.